Hello, beautiful people, lovers of good things, lovers of goodwill all over the globe. I bring greetings from a grateful heart. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on your time zone. Thank you so dearly for always supporting this platform. I really do appreciate. In case you are hearing our voice for the first time, or you are coming across us for the first time, we still remain your one and only Progress News, giving it to you back to back. Remember, in this platform, we react to all videos, and your opinion is highly needed. So sit back, watch this video, and
ya shagawa ihuna bana shiri Nigeria shagawa ole advice ga-enye ndị Igbo na me gbasara ndị Hausa ole advice ga-enye ụmụ Igbo concerning ndị Hausa
onye echigani onye sege we shall kill the Igbos to the grassroots. Buhari akuchigani until you go 5 years. Onye hochere gechiche ọmara ahe bịara agha abaga na agwa no kwula ndị bịara agha ebe esi ya gbuo mo to the last man adịghị ka ọ succeed ha plan ya ka abaga na akpọ ha ọkụ onye doro anya hotu ozi mmadụ kekere Imo steeti ndị ahụ ya Mohammed the only person in the Bagana. Nka motor line 18 miles. Motor line in a line to 18 miles or over. Up or a hawk. O to land in my mother, my noji, my luma, out to Allah. Mohammed, a lot of people go on the other. Yes, and I'm a now going at the I am motor baja loaga. Oje bonde United Nations mo piati ende bandre hejirike almost surrender by then obje bonde United Nations azik nwe Nigeria je kpowa zik ndị ihe okwuru yasa wa go nwanne na nwanne aya wo Nigeria ma ya de nwa gị kiye akwadole yasa onye isi agha Nigeria se tufu afuda Biafra ka ke afyala yes, I will lay one Nigeria. My other one geek in Nigeria. I won't assure me, but oh, hey, be not sharing. Oh, go on. I do a lend them a that's no victory, no vanquish. I'll go Quebec and wide for that. I can zik. The best for later, I won't get a monument alone, Jacoja Sracha, so to the hotel. I just pay la banding. Ode hionya Hausa when it teacher going Igbo echiche ọmara. Nevertheless, when he let go example on the herdsmen, a man the meaning of herdsmen, on they be take over here. Make we almost be Panama. Grace, we Bumogeno, bleach where be a wound obodo. Marasa Aquasu had to maybe lose Ganoshi. You don't know the plan this man. But now, my military plan. Only civilian Chiguni. Only Chiguni no general. Or Tiaquano Chichimolo Awara. Or Merino, also no Baron on Wusha. A gone would do Belelobo. Or where you're not on war. Gasoludos are bound with Godmaster about the hand kidnapper. Ya resign here. They go on Muchabel. Imona Gaga 1,000 at Agranot. Mana Boiler at 1,000 here. Someone a club with about 1,000 jar of granite. Woman. I don't say him when he can you or don't say you now was again your give her mother. We were getting Juko, but I am from Ivory Coast to hang what they on why I just form more party. I say, how can I make here party? I say, oh, you will say for Nigeria, and they want me for the form more party. That door, it's like when Nigeria one has a gap for. No good, I mean, I will in. Maddy, it was for us on Ralahi.
so ndị advice gị nye ndị Igbo now.
Advice dị nye ndị Igbo. When did I and when did we must succeed. We must reach to the promised land. ka ewu nkwa ekwere anyị ekwe emara na ndị anyị wụ ndị Hibru onye na-ụzara Igbo anyị wụ Hibru, one of the 12 tribes of Israel. I wụ otu n'ime tribe iri na abụọ Israel o nwere eme n'ebe ewu 11 one nwoke n'ebe ele ama ebe anyị siri dabara ebe ala machi from nowhere abịa na ya na agbara nga anya ọ dị ma ọfọ menongo town anọ naanị Owerri, Onitsha, Ogoja and Rivers ọ gwụchara o nwere ndị ebe ọdọ Igbo na Naịjirịa nwa ala ebe anyị siri bịa dabara ebe wụrụkwana ncheke emume obodo niile sọrọ agbụrụ ndị Igbo enwereghị mmeri ọ kara unu si you are my children Chineke kwuru ya unu wụ ụmụ m ọ dịghị ihe a na-eme anyị but anyị ga-enwe ndidi until we reach to the promised land.
My fellow Nigerians, I'm talking with a grief heart, very heavy heart. I decided not to cry anymore. My eyes is swollen, but I believe I can get justice. Only if people can help me. I took my son to hospital on Friday early morning because he was having catarrh and cough. When I took him, he wasn't running temperature. It was just catarrh and cough. And they got to the hospital. The catarrh actually started on Wednesday. Why I took him to the hospital was so that they can check if there is anything like all this children infection, because he's about to start school on Monday. I took him to hospital on Friday morning. They ran a test, and they said what was wrong with him was a small infection and pneumonia. I had cold, no malaria. Now they started treating. Even that same Friday, as I called my husband, he said the cough is no longer there. That he's no longer coughing like before. That from their body language, it's like they will release us the next day, being Saturday morning, today, 24th of September 2022. Now, they gave him one injection, aside from the ones they've been giving him. They gave him one injection on that Friday night around 8. He vomited everything he had in his stomach. Someone that was so energetic, even the people around confirmed, in the hospital confirmed that he was just jumping up and down. He was so energetic. He wasn't running temperature, nothing, just catarrh and cough. And it's just for me to be sure that if he doesn't have infection as he's about to start school, so that he can start school healthy. That was why I took him there. If not, I would have used my hand to massage him with ori and rub as normal, the way we do on little children cough. He's about getting to 4 years now. On that Friday, they are from their body language, they were like, he's stubborn, he's so energetic, nothing was wrong with him, that the next day we might even go. Then I gave him that drugs. He vomited everything he had, showing that he reacted to the drugs. Instead of them to change the drugs or even monitor him on what to do again, what they did was, when he vomited that, I asked him if he will eat again. He said no, because he likes Godimon a lot. Will you take Godimon? No, mommy. He slept off. To wake up around, no, they woke him up around 4 a.m. to give him another drug. When he woke up, I was about doing Godimon. He said, no, mommy, I don't want. I said, okay, sure, you will still be hungry before the day breaks. Now, around that kind 7, the night came and woke us up. He even started, the nurse woke us up and I was like, get him ready so we can give him injection, which is the same one they gave him on by 8 o'clock on Friday night that he reacted to. And that morning when they woke him up, when they woke him up, he was energetic. He was playing with the children around there. Even the security man around there, that MCC, Mother, Maternal and Child Care, Ogombo, confirmed that he even played with him, because he greeted the husband. My son now took over from there and they started playing. Now, when I know when they told me they are coming to give him that injection, I told the nurse he has not even taken anything. Oh, since he vomited the one he had last night because of that drugs people administered on him. Can he eat before? Can I give him golden mon before he will take the drug? Maybe he had golden mon. He was like, "Mommy, golden, daddy, golden mon. I want golden mon. Okay, let me make golden mon." Nurse insisted that I should not bother. That he can take golden mon later after the drugs. Me, I insisted because I knew that nothing was inside the stomach, being that he vomited everything the previous night. But nurse insisted and injected him that same drug that he reacted to the previous night. He did the first one, injection, second, third. At the fourth one, my son shouted on a loud voice, "Daddy, daddy, my hand." And that was it. His eye turned and he got cold. That was how I lost my child today, 24th of September 2022. Nigerians, is this fair? My eyes is swollen. I've talked to myself that I'm not gonna cry again, but I need justice for my son so that his soul will rest. I might not fight the government because it's equally a government collabo hospital, maternal and child care, Ogombo Road, Aja. Please reach out to me. I want to fight for my son. I don't have the power, but I want to get justice for him. My number is 08032727186. 08032727186.
You see, this is the purpose why a lot of people said they don't support election in 2023. Because a lot of things are going on right now. You need to know where you are standing. We need that land that is full with milk and honey, where nobody will deprive you of your rights. That is the land of Biafra. So my wonderful family, please do well to share this video, like and subscribe. Thank you and bye-bye.